We want this event to be especially meaningful here in northern Mindanao. This region continues to grow as a center of trade, industry, agriculture, and investment. As opportunities expand, the government must also ensure that essential public services are within reach of every family, every entrepreneur, every farmer and fisher folk, every worker, and every citizen who depends on them.
Malaking tulong po sa akin kasi may knowledge na akong nalalaman para sa future ko.
We always say that our malls are more than just places for shopping. And today is a perfect example of that. This space becomes a place where people can access important services, connect with government programs, and take care of real-life needs in a more convenient way.
Oh, it's very helpful kasi if you go to the agency sa office, it will take some time. It will take ang daming tao, ang daming pila. So here, it's a quick service, quick inquiry, and then you get quick results.
First time pa na ako makasali sa purpose. Ilang taon na nga gusto ko makasali. May nagsabi sa akin nga pumunta kami dito sa downtown, SM. Ay pumunta kami, naglakad kami na kasama yung anak ko at saka asawa ko. May staff dito na tilapitan mo, baka pwede kami makasali. Kasi kailangan namin ng marriage at birth certificate sa anak para sa purpose. Puti, ni-stay nila, nakasali din namin, nakuha ko yung kailangan ako kunin para sa aming purpose. Ang laking tulong sa akin kasi ito, dili basta-basta ni mo makuha. Sa dami pa namang tao, kailangan yun na i-schedule, kailangan pagtiyagaan talaga.
So this is a very appreciation to this program of the government to bring it to the people.
Salamat po sa Department of Finance kasi ang laki ng tulong sa akin to. Importante talaga sa amin.